How to add money into your Phantom wallet. Hello guys and welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add money to your Phantom wallet. So for that, if you wish to buy or add any of the money or currencies like USDC, USDT into your Phantom wallet, I've got you. So open your Phantom wallet and you need to have an account on it, and once you are redirected to your home page, you'll be able to see a compass icon at the bottom right. So in Android devices you might be seeing a globe, so it's just the same thing. So just click on this over here and you'll be redirected to a trending tokens website. Now here are the trending tokens and here are the trending sites. So you have to click on Jupiter because it is a really good trending site on Phantom wallet. So once you're redirected to Jupiter, you'll be able to see an interface like this in front of you. So you need to be in spot under swap. So in order to add money to your Phantom wallet in USDC, what you have to do is select any of the token over here, click on this combo box, and you'll be redirected to this interface where you can see multiple options. So for example, if I wish to transfer money from my Solana to USDC, so I'm going to click on Solana, and now you can see that here it selected Solana. In my case, it has automatically shifted to USDC, but however, if you cannot see USDC over here, you can just click on the combo box and you'll be able to see multiple options here. So just select USDC from here. And now you can see that you can transfer your Solana to USDC as money into your account. And then just type down the amount of Solana you wish to transfer. For example, I'm transferring 10. And now you can see that 10 Solana is for And now you can see that 10 Solana is for 2,230 USDC. So that is quite a good amount, and if you do have that much of Solana in your account, you'll be able to see transfer from Solana to USDC. And it just refreshes every minute because it has new pricing structure every minute, and you need to connect a wallet before making the transfer. So you can just click on connect wallet over here, but I have already connected it, so it's written insufficient right now. Or there's also another way to add wallet. You can click over here and then you can add wallet here from your portfolio. So that is basically how you can add money to your Phantom wallet. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next one.